Did you know the Earth actually isn't round? Force pushes outwards at the equator, making the Earth have a slight bulge. More with you here, and welcome to the first episode of IFA. The Earth has 7 major tectonic plates, including the Pacific, North American, Eurasian, African, Antarctic, Indo-Australian, and the South American plate. There are also minor plates, which are smaller than the major plates, and microplates, which are plates with an area of less than 1 million square kilometers. There are lots of theories attempting to explain the creation of the moon, but the giant impact theory is the most widely accepted theory and is supported by the scientific community. This theory states that one of the small planets early in the solar system's lifespan crashed into the Earth, causing pieces of the Earth to be blasted into orbit, where they eventually collided and became what we now know as the moon. The planet that crashed into the Earth has been named Theia and is thought to have been the size of Mars. Scientists estimate that over 99% of all species of life that has ever lived on Earth are extinct, and there are currently about 12 million species alive on Earth today. 1.2 million known species are alive on Earth today. Most unknown species on Earth are likely very small in size and live very deep in the ocean or high in the atmosphere. Earth's lifespan is very closely related to that of the Sun. Over billions of years, the Sun will gradually warm up, and in approximately 5.5 billion years, the Sun will become a red giant, which is about 250 times the Sun's current radius. The Earth will move to an orbit of 1.7 astronomical units from the Sun, or 250 million kilometers. The Earth's current orbit from the Sun is estimated to be 149,600,000 kilometers, or 1 astronomical unit away from the Sun. Earth's orbit around the red giant Sun is expected to decay due to drag and tidal effects, causing it to enter the red giant Sun's atmosphere and be vaporized. Obviously, this would kill all life forms still living on Earth. By mass, the Earth is composed of 34.6% iron, 29.5% oxygen, 15.2% silicon, 12.7% magnesium, 2.4% nickel, 1.9% sulfur, and 0.05% titanium. The Earth's atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and very small amounts of argon and carbon dioxide. Every planet in our solar system was named after a Greek or Roman god or goddess, except Earth. Earth is an Old English-German word that simply means the ground. Every single human throughout humanity, estimated to be about 100 billion, has been born on Earth, but not everyone has died on Earth. 3 crew members of the Soyuz 11 spacecraft died during re-entry to the atmosphere on June 30th, 1971, when the ship's depressurization led to the death of the entire crew. The 3 men who died were Russian, and they were sent to space on behalf of the Soviet Union. You might think that the tallest point on Earth is Mount Everest, and while that is true in some sense, the point on Earth furthest from the center of Earth is the summit of Chimborazo in Ecuador. This is because the Earth has a slight bulge at the equator, and the mountain is near the equator. The amount of time the Earth takes to complete one full rotation is 23.93 hours. This isn't 24 hours as you would probably think, because it is only the Earth completing one full rotation, not the Sun returning to the same spot in the sky, which takes 24 hours because 4 minutes is added. The Earth has a powerful magnetic field, which protects us from the effects of solar winds. Solar winds can cause geomagnetic storms that can change the direction of magnetic field lines and create strong currents and power grids. However, one cool effect, in my opinion, is the northern and southern lights. Similarly, the ozone layer protects us from harmful solar radiation. Solar radiation can cause chronic health effects on skin, eyes, and immune system. The lowest point on Earth is known as Challenger Deep. The bottom is 10.9 kilometers under sea level. There have been 3 manned vessels to travel all the way to the bottom, and 3 unmanned vessels to travel all the way to the bottom. The Earth experiences about 44,000 thunderstorms each day, with about 1,800 active at any given moment. Thanks for watching my video, subscribe for more, and like or dislike accordingly. See you next time.